Alright y'all, what's good everybody? I'm back and I'm better with another video. Today is another beautiful day in Dallas, Texas. We have a 55-minute drive to go pick up some shoes, and I'm at a green light recording a YouTube video. I should be a little bit more safer than that, but it's 3:30 right now. We'll probably be there at 4 o'clock, and it's the same person that I bought some other shoes from. If you guys remember that vlog, we bought some Oreo 4s at a pawn shop, and I just sold those for $140. So alright, so it looks like they got some J's. I would offer on those. Let's see if they would take my offer. Alright, so guys, yes, I did pick these up for only $100. Receipts here. Sir, you can look at the address. I don't care. I don't even come here often. Just honestly, the sizing is pretty good, and Jordan 4s are really trending at the moment, so I can get 150 for these on eBay. We just made 40 bucks off of those Oreos, and then I'm going back to that same area, so we'll go to a few pawn shops after we do the deal with bro. And yeah, I'm ready for this long drive. Let's go. I just pulled up, same OG that sold me 6 bands worth of shoes last week. I'm at the house. I gotta wait for him to pull up. I don't know, he got caught up in traffic or whatnot. But I'm gonna get me this. I'm gonna eat this Chipotle bowl. I was driving, I ordered, I got 2 bowls and a shit ton of Look at this. You got, look, 1. So many tortillas, bro. But yeah, don't order when you're driving. Don't do that. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for him to come, and I'm gonna eat in the car. Wait. Oh, he just texted me. Crazy. 15 minutes out, fam. Okay. I'm doing a cash out right now. Got a few pairs. $260 a pop for biohacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do the math. 260 times 7. 18, 20. Cool. Up 2 pairs. GS. 225 a pop. 4 picked up satins, 225, Luckies, 275, and then 250 for the men's, the Royal Toes, and then 290 on these, all brand new. I'm gonna check them before I dip, but my man's good for it. So got these shadows, 265, and then picked up another pair, 230 for these, boom, and then picked up 225 on this one. It's 5.5. And then Lucky Greens, you already know. And then 250 on those. And then we got a mint size down here for 290. Yeah, just picked up 5 pairs of Volts, 160 a pop, all grade school. Oh, alright, now gotta buy some beaters. Alright, where you at? Just throw me a number. Man, you got, hey man, I'm not gonna even tell me some shit, don't stick me up, bro. That's all. I don't even know what, I don't know shit about, no. I don't even know what to start with. Yeah, shit, I would be close to like 250 on them, for both. Or where would you be at? Like, just throw a number? Cause this one has a lot of hill drag. This one's also dragged out a little bit, but where would you be at? CJ! As you guys can see, we did that little cash out. 25 pairs, close to $5,000. Every time I come here, we're spending $5,000 to $10,000 every trip I come down here. So it's another great, beautiful day. We made a little bit of money. On some shoes, we'll probably just break even, but honestly, it just builds that relationship, and that's what's really important in the game. And you have to realize that your network is net worth. You know, that's like a little corny saying that everybody says, but honestly, that it's really important to connect with people. And sometimes you might take a loss on some shoes, or you might make some money on shoes, but just building that network of consistently buying $5,000 worth of shoes from somebody every month or every week, it's gonna help your business grow, because it's exposing you to new type of sneakers, but also exposing you to different type of people that you will connect with. And so money is money, but at the end of the day, relationships are more important. My camera's about to die, so I might just go to 1 or 2 pawn shops. I might show you guys that, but this camera's dying and I don't like recording with my phone just for some weird reason. All right, so if we end up going to a pawn shop, I'll let you guys know, because we're in like a high traffic area right now and I'm waiting for it to die down. So I'll probably go to a few pawn shops for like the next hour and see what happens. Adios, let's go. All right, y'all, here's some hidden clearance that I found. These are $39.99 plus tax. It will be $43, and I've been selling them on StockX for $80 plus. Picked up easy profit. 2, and there's 3 right there, 5 pairs. Also, I didn't mention that we also got to pick up all those right there from the same exact person, those Kobe's. They have like cuts and tears in them, but it's still a Kobe, and I only paid $10 for it, so easy money. And then we bought another pair of LeBrons. I'll show you guys those later. All right, y'all, so I just left the detail R. We got a few pairs. Let me show you guys real quick. I could have gotten more. No, I couldn't, because there's like so much restriction going on and stuff. So paint drips, I paid retail for, so pretty good. And these craters, they're only $120. They're going for like $160, $170 on apps. So here's another great shoe. Let's see. I just got these forces just to get them. We'll see what happens with them. I should make like $7 off of these after tax. Hopefully. No, I actually paid payout for them. Shit, I fucked up on that one. And then here on these, I just got a size 9 women silver toes tank. Retail's pretty high, but nonetheless, it's a Jordan 1. Can make a little bit of money on top of. Plus, on silver toes, I did overpay on a lot of them, so man, I'm so mad. But honestly, not a bad pickup. There was Carmine, Stealth 5s, all the 6s that came out, but majority of them are bricks. Especially just the forces that I got. I kind of regret buying those, but it's part of the game, you feel me? I'm not gonna return them. Whatever, it is what it is, you feel me? So now, let's go to a WSS they got down here. I think all the pawn shops here are closed, but it's not a bad day of hustling. Adios.
Make sure you click the like or dislike, or I don't care button, but click something, goddammit.